Hello world, cocomarTech here. Today I'm going to show you where to buy legit Windows CD keys or game keys, and it's very easy to do. Of course, I'll be doing the instructions here. So welcome to another episode of
TT with cocomarTech.
So the website is called CDKDeals.com. So CDKDeals.com is an official platform selling official Microsoft keys, game keys, including Stream CD keys, Origin CD keys, Uplay CD keys, PC game CD keys, PSN prepaid card, Xbox prepaid card. And you can get them with very good deals. So if you're looking to spend little to get the most out of your money, then this is a great website to go to. So to do this, all we have to do is go to cdkdeals.com. There, it's already there. And then you can find here the greatest deals. Like here you have game CD keys, you have Assassin's Creed and everything. But for now, we're going to look for Windows. So here, if you can type Windows, you can see Microsoft Windows 10 Pro OEM CD Key Global. So click here, and then you have to have your own account, which you can see on the upper right portion of the screen, which is very easy to do. All you have to do is put your account information and you're good to go. You already have your account for the CDKDeals.com. If you can notice, the previous price of the Microsoft Windows 10 Pro CD key is $119.24, and right now the price is just $19.72 plus the 20% off coupon code that we will put later. So here we have your buy now button. Just have to click on that button. So we have here the information. We have your Microsoft Windows 10 Pro OEM CD Key Global, and we have to put your promotion code. So for this video, I'm going to give you 20% discount, which is a very good deal. All you have to do is use my promo code CM20. So we're gonna put here CM20 and then click on the apply. And then we can see the discounted price. So we save $3.94, which is a great deal if you ask me. And then you can just click on the submit button here on the lower right portion of the screen, and then you can just put your preferred payment method. So I'm gonna use my credit cards, and my credit card is Visa. So just click on the next button. So I'm just gonna put my details here and then just skip a little bit. So if you're done buying the CD key, you will be redirected to your purchase orders. And we can see here the item that we just bought, and we can view the keys here. So you have here the button get the key. I'm just going to use that to put in the activation for your Windows 10 Pro. To activate your Windows 10 Pro, all you have to do is type activation settings in your search bar, and then you will get redirected to the settings of your Windows 10. So here you can see that the activation is not yet active. So all we have to do is click on the change product key and then put in the product key that you just bought from the cdkdeals.com. Just click on the next button and just click on the activate button and just wait for a couple of seconds, and you're good to go. Your Windows 10 Pro is now activated for a very affordable price. So you can also browse for more games, Steam, Origin, Uplay, and you have here really lots of great deals. So we have here Tales of Vesperia, $24, and I just actually bought this for $40, which is, hopefully I found this site sooner, which cost me less money to buy this game. And then we have here a lot of PlayStation cards, gift cards, which is a very great deal if you ask me. So check out CDK Deals for more deals. So there, if you find this video very helpful, please consider giving this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech videos. So this is cocomarTech. I hope to see you in my next video, and keep safe. Bye bye.